our project is on based on design and development of air purification unit for improving air quality. So these are my group members, Prajwal Lokhande, Prashant Chaudhary, and Rohan Basu. And we made the project under the guidance of Sarvanand Sir of KQ College of Engineering and Research, Nasik. So basically, first, what is the problem definition of our project? Problem definitions means, as worldwide we are saying that we are harassing from the air pollution, so that we are reducing the air pollution from the atmosphere by using our air quality unit. Also, we are using the air quality unit very less efficient, more efficient, and we made the project in less cost. Then after, the objective of our project. The objective of our project is to reduce the air pollution from the atmosphere in the less cost, and also make it suitable to install the project at different locations where we want to require. After that, my friend Rohan Basu will explain further.
So previously my friend told you what is our objective. So in this project we try to maintain our air quality is between 100 and 150. Firstly, the air quality is between 0 to 50. It is very good for our human beings. When the air quality is between 50 to 100, it is moderate for human beings. And when air quality is between 101 to 150, it is small amount of unhealthy for human beings. And when air quality is 150 to 100, it is very unhealthy for human beings. So in using of this project, we will try to maintain the air quality between 100. So different layers filters are being used, and because of using this filter, we achieve this target. And other what are the working of this filter is explained by my friend Prashant.
So in this prototype, basically the atmospheric air gets sucked from the. Here is the exhaust fan is there. Basically, the suction rate is the 200 CFM, that is the cubic feet per minute. So basically, the air through the exhaust fan is passing through the filter. There are different types of layer of filter. Each filter having the different properties and the working to reduce the pollutant level. So the first filter layer is the pre-filter, then carbon filter, then algae, lime water, and the carbon filter. So basically, the use of each filter having to reduction some amount of the pollutants like the carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and the hydrocarbon. So basically here the pre-filter is used to that PM 2.5 means the dust and another that flies or that get discussing about the filters. So we are using the carbon filters. So basically the carbon filter extract the carbon from the atmosphere, and then the lime water and the algae is used. Basically algae is naturally exhibit to eat the carbon dioxide from the nature, and basically here the fan is controlled by the AQI circuit. That is basically means do not run the fan continuously for the all time. So we require that the fan get control over the pollutant level. So this can be explained by my friend Prajwal.
This is the electronic circuit in which we have done energy consumption as well. When we have set the readings such as 200, above the 200 the fan will automatically turn on, and below the 200 the fan will turn off to save the energy. Because in full project the fan is the most important part, because and has the most power rating than others.
Basically, this is our project, and we will try best for our future.
And our we thanks to our project guide Sarvanand sir, and
also we thank to our HODs of the department, Professor Ravindra Munjee sir, and we thank to our principal K.N. Nandurkar sir of our institute. Thank you.